Hi friends. Today I will show you how to make 12-volt automatic cut-off battery charger that can be used to charge inverter batteries as well as car batteries. There are already lots of circuits like this with only bridge rectifier that will not protect your battery from overcharging. Also there are these type of auto cut-off circuits which lacks the constant output voltage and cannot cut off at precise set voltage. So, I designed the perfect circuit, with adjustable constant output with 10 amperes, and precise cutoff voltage. As you can see, initial circuit is based on bridge rectifier with filter capacitors, for current smoothing. Here LM317 is used to adjust output voltage, and MJ2955 PNP transistor is used to bypass up to 10 amperes current to output, since LM317 can give only 1 ampere output. Here the voltage divider circuit is used to set cutoff voltage, so that when battery reaches to threshold, it will trigger the transistor. Relay coil will turn on, and charging to battery will cut off, and will indicate battery is fully charged, hence prevent battery from overcharging. For easy assembly of this circuit, I designed the PCB and ordered it from JLC PCB. They offer 5 pieces of PCBs for just $2. Just visit jlcpcb.com. Click on order now. Add PCB Gerber file. After upload you can see preview of your PCB. And change quantity and color as per your requirements. And then save to cart for checkout. Here I got the matte black PCB, and looks awesome. Now let's place all the components on PCB according to the circuit diagram provided. Download link is in video description. Also I have provided PCB Gerber file to order PCB. Also PDF layout files is provided, if you would like to make PCBs at home. Now let's solder all the components to PCB. Our soldering is complete, and it is time to trim the excess leads of all components. You can clean the flux residue using isopropyl alcohol. Now our circuit looks nice and clean, and is almost ready to test. Use heatsink thermal paste for effective transfer of heat to heatsink. You can use up to 10 amperes, 12 step down transformer. Connect transformer to input terminal connector. To calibrate the circuit, connect multimeter at output. Use screwdriver and adjust first potentiometer to set output voltage at 14 volts. Now adjust another potentiometer to set cutoff voltage. Rotate slowly to clockwise till green LED turns on. This button can be used to restart charging if circuit is in cut-off position. I will charge this car battery to test this circuit. Now charging to battery is cut off, as battery is fully charged. For more videos subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.